Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to change region on Steam. Easy steps, and here's how. Number 1. Open your browser, then go to Steam. Number 2. Once you are on the Steam website, make sure you are logged in. Number 3. On the tabs above, drag your cursor to your username, then tap on Profile. Number 4. In your profile, tap on the Edit Profile button. Number 5. Once you are on the Edit Profile page, scroll down and look for Location. Here, you can change your country. Once you have chosen your country, a state or province tab will appear down below. So, tap on that and choose your state or province. Number 6. Once you are done, you can click on Save. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.